Okay, so today I'm gonna tackle the infamous peanut butter and mayonnaise sandwich, but I'm gonna do it my way. All right, let's go get some peanut butter. Some organic peanut butter, fresh squeezed. You open?
Yeah, you don't see my light on?
I ain't seen your light. I'm gonna make a peanut butter mayonnaise sandwich.
Peanut butter mayonnaise? Ew, that sounds like a stomach ache.
Val, I'm gonna make peanut butter mayonnaise sandwich. You want one?
No.
Why not? You ever have one? Did you ever have one? You never had one, but you're gonna say you don't want it. You never tried it, but you're gonna be pessimistic about it. You know what my biggest problem is right now? Figuring out what bread I'm gonna use on my peanut butter and mayonnaise sandwich. That's my biggest problem right now. What bread should I use for my peanut butter mayonnaise problem? What do you think? Steven, nobody wants to help. Nobody wants to help. I'm gonna find the bread. I gotta find the bread. I like my bread toasted, so I'm gonna give it a little toast. All right, gotta flip it over. A little toast action. All right. Oh, that's nice. I think that's just right. And now to marry them. Peanut butter and mayonnaise. There it is. All right. Thought you want to try my peanut butter mayonnaise sandwich? Come on, bro. You got to try it. Come on. All right. There it is. There it is. Peanut butter mayonnaise sandwich. All right. We're going to give it a shot. See what it's all about. Okay? I'm a little skeptical, but, you know, I like mayonnaise. I like peanut butter. All right. That looks like a nice spot. I got the peanut butter. The mayonnaise is like, has that, you know, vinegary kind of creaminess to it. I tell you, it ain't bad. It's not something I eat every day, but it's not terrible. It's not the worst thing I've ever had. It's pretty damn good. What are you talking about?
Yeah, with this.
He's always hating from the sideline, this Val cat. Wait till he sees how much money I'm going to win in my Super Bowl boxes this year. Oh, I got a lot of mayo on that one. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you got something else on your lips. You know what it looks like? Hey, fuck. You're laughing now, huh?
The mayonnaise is definitely the highlight of the sandwich. I like the way it oozes out, you know? I chose to use Italian bread, which is a great idea. Toasted, it holds its, you know, composure. That white bread shit, don't cut it for me. I don't eat that shit, you know? Right, Val? Huh? Right? In all honesty, I'm enjoying like the mayonnaise dripping out so much that I'm gonna just go get some more mayonnaise to dip it into. I think that's what it's missing, like a nice dipping, right? You know, I need a nice dipping bowl. Alberto, I'm gonna put some more mayonnaise in there. More mayo. Memo, can I get some more mayonnaise? I need a little more mayonnaise.
Manja, it's too late, you lose heavy.
Mayonnaise. There we go. See? Now we're cooking. You know what I think happened? I think the toasted bread absorbed the mayonnaise too much. But that's why I needed a little extra. So now I know for the future. So good. What's great about this thing is you got salty savory and salty sweet. Peanut butter, I would say, is salty sweet, while the mayonnaise is like salty savory. No, I haven't gotten sick yet, so almost done. Alright, so I mean overall
Like with onions?
it was okay.
Onions?
Onion. Overall, it was good. You know, it's not something I would eat every day. I mean, I'm glad I tried it, but you know, maybe a little smaller next time. Not so big, the sandwich. But hey, if I had nothing in the house and all I had was peanut butter and mayonnaise, I wouldn't mind having that sandwich again. I wouldn't mind at all. Try it. You don't know until you try it.